Hi, welcome. Simon here. In this video, I'll be cloning over from an old computer to a brand new M.2 SSD. Here I have a bootable Clonezilla software where it allows you to clone everything over, and I'll be installing this in the computer. The software is free to download. You can go to the website. I'll link it down in the description below. All you have to do is to get an empty USB, create it to be a bootable USB, have the software installed on it, and just boot it from the USB. All right, this is the USB adapter, NVMe M2. You can get it through Amazon. I'll link it down in the description below. Once you buy the brand new M.2 drive, a larger one that you want to clone everything over from the old computer to the brand new drive, this is the USB that you need to have. And just stick it into the laptop. All right, the next step is to go ahead and boot it to the drive. I'll be using the keyboard and select the USB hard drive. Whichever matters that we need to do is to install. And we are going to choose temporary startup device F12. And here I'll be selecting the generic USB device. I believe that is the one on the USB drive. It doesn't seem to see it. Let's see what happens. All right, finally it loads up. I guess the USB only work on the right side, not on the left side. Here is the Clonezilla software. So you need to select the first one, press enter. Asking for language, English, keyboard default US. Start Clonezilla, hit enter. And this is where you need to select the second device. Device work directly from a disk or partition to another disk or partition. So select the second one and click enter. Sorry, not click, press enter. We're going to use the beginner mode, enter. Use the first one, clone from a local disk to another local disk, enter. Here we need to select. So I know that the laptop, the original laptop, has a 256 gigabyte, and you need to press a space bar to select that. So when you hit a space bar, you can see the asterisk. This is the source, meaning the original source where you want it from. So it's going to be from the laptop, the original source, and hit enter. And it comes to the target, meaning where you want it to be. So I know that my hard drive, the new one, is 1 terabyte. You can see that it says 1 terabyte here, and it's already pre-selected. So hit enter, and this is the target. Select the first one, SFSCK, hit enter. Enter again. enter again, enter again. Press enter to continue. Press Y, that make sure you read and understand the warning that you will erase all the data. Hit enter. Do that one more time, hit enter. And right now it's doing its things. It will start cloning from the laptop into the 1 terabyte M.2. So we just have to wait at this process. Nothing much I can do. And we go from there. So this is the complete version of it. It's only 0.5%. We have to wait remaining, they say 8 minutes, 9 minutes. So it looks like it keep increasing. I'm not sure how long it's going to take. Right now it's only 1%, so we just have to wait for now. Okay, when it's all done, you just have to type in power off, change out the hard drive, remove the USB, and install the brand new M.2. You're good to go. Hopefully this video helps. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye now.